Hello my friends, sorry about the late for the video, but I figured while the weather's good, we can do a little practice. We got two handguns today. I'm going to show you exactly what they can do with our targets up here. Phoenix Arms 22 pistol and the Taurus 9mm. Like I said, we'll see what they can do and give you a little preview of our next video. Let's start the show. This is Nikolai, and he's going to show you exactly what this 22 can do and see if we can hit our targets up there. Let's try it out. Okay, not bad. But let's see what the 9mm can do. See if we can pack a bigger punch and hit some of these targets. So we've got the targets. As you can see, not bad. Pretty well aimed. But now it's my turn. Let's see what I can do. And because we all know I need practice with the handgun, here we go. Now the 9mm. Let's do it. Let's see how we did. So as you can tell, I may need just a little more practice with the handguns. Like I said though, my thing is the rifle. But, hope you enjoy the video my friends. Like and share the video, it makes me a little money so I can buy some ammo. But let's try one more thing before we end. So here's a little added surprise preview for my next video. Let's see that again.